Hello Randy, this is Aaron from Voss Motors and I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2017 Yamaha R6. It has 7,742 kilometers on it. The listing price is $12,588 plus HST licensing. It is a 599cc engine, liquid cooled, 4-cylinder. And here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. As you can see, it's very clean and is in very good condition. The exhaust has been changed, so it's the aftermarket exhaust. Despite that, the tires are in very good condition. There's no bumps, no scratches, no nothing. It's black on the outside and has a black seat. If you'd like to come into Voss Motors, you can come in anytime to take a closer look at the vehicle. If you have any other questions, please contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. Thank you for your time, Randy.